On the continuum, the mining analysis and the crusher feed modules, there are a couple of waterfall charts where the user, with the appropriate permissions, can define the tolerance levels for the colouring of these particular waterfall charts. And I've just brought us to the continuum settings under the system settings. And here is where you can actually define the color and the associated differences on ranges. So if we look at this percentage difference range 4, we can see anything from 0 to 5% difference is going to give us a green color, anything from 0 to -5 a green, and so forth. -5 to -10% difference, we'll start to get an orange color. Now that is completely configurable by the user, so you could come in and actually change that. You can change the color to whatever color you want as well, and just save that, and those colors will be reflected, as I said, in the continuum, the crusher feed, and the mining analysis screens.